So in this video, I will show how to add a little jazz to our code by using an oscillator. So an oscillator is a little unit that would generate by itself some kind of signal. In this case, we'll use that signal to have the LED blink, and we'll use a signal called a square oscillator. So what's going to happen is that we'll have this square oscillator that will generate a signal that will basically switch between 0 and 1 and 0. And this signal is going to be sent directly to our LED once again. So what I'm going to want to do here is to create this square oscillator object by using the square OSC object. And let's say I'm going to call it square. I'll be using one parameter here. I'll set it to 1.0, and this 1.0 is going to represent the period of oscillation. So basically at each, so 1.0 stands for 1 second, so it means that at every second the square oscillator will move up and then down again. So and in the step function here, what I can do is I can just take whatever value the square oscillator is at currently and send that value to the LED. So if you upload that program, you should see the LED blink.